Getting started with spreadsheets. Okay, so the first thing it says welcome, and I want you to pay attention to this blank right here. It says let's get started using spreadsheets. All right, for all of these, what you're going to do is you're going to follow the directions and type the data into the yellow cells. All right, for here, I have all my information. If you don't have this yet, it's there for you. So I'm going to put in my name. All right. And then now it says welcome, Dave. Oh, that's very nice. Thank you, spreadsheet. All right, when I click on this box, you can see that there's a formula that just means it's going to grab whatever's there. All right, so that's done. Let's go ahead and move over to the second one. The step one says, hello, Dave. This is a spreadsheet. It can do some pretty cool things. Let's practice. It says spreadsheet can organize data. Try typing things in the cells. All right, I'm going to make my life easy and just do this. Numbers, maybe go over here. There you go. All right, the next thing it says is we're going to adjust the column and the row width. So when we go here between the E and the F, do you see these things look like railroad tracks? So I'm going to click and drag them over. All right, so this is important if you type a lot of things and you need the cell to be wider. You can also do it over here, same thing. I'm going to hover between the 4 and the 5. I'm going to click here and drag it down. And you can see it can adjust as well. Okay, we'll learn more about this when we play Battleship, and that will be after the break or next class. All right, so that's done. I got my typing. This one right here, you're going to scroll all the way up. All right, so we're going to name each of the yellow cells. When I click on it, the letter comes first, and you can see C6. So I move over here. So I6. Hit enter. Excellent. Thank you so much. All right, so this one is B and 12. All right, this one is E and 13. E13. Click there. Move down here. We have H and 18. Just double check, make sure that's right. There you go. We have A21. Click there. All right, check to see if we have anything else. All right, perfect. All right, now we've moved on to step 3. All right, this one right here, this is my favorite part about it because this is where it does the math for you. So we're trying to add an equal sign. Okay? All right. So what I'm looking for is, it looks like I accidentally erased these problems, but that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them back. All right. So for us, we get the data first, and we're trying to figure out what to do with it. So data first, then equal sign. For the computer, all right, it is a dumb computer, and it needs the directions first. So we're going to add an equal sign here, and it'll do the math for us. All right, because I have done, let's see, it looks like it needs to be 21. So we'll say 14 plus 7. All right, we click here, add an equal sign. Bam, great job, thank you. Now this one, I'm cheating a little bit. All right, so it should equal 22. So we'll go with 11 times 2. All right, so I need to add the equal sign here. Hit enter. All right, perfect. So it's great job all the way through. Now we go to step 4. Okay, it says, Dave, now you're ready to write your own formulas. In the yellow cells below, start with an equal sign and write your own math problems. So what we're going to do is, just as it says, we're going to start with an equal sign. Here's your formula bar. And we can do something simple like 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. It'll tell you that's our answer. We hit enter. It works. We can do one here. So we have 8 times 9 times 7. Perfect. All right. Then I'm going to show you the thing that trips up most people is sometimes, for some reason, I hit a space there. I do equal. I do 2 times 8 times 9 times 7. All right. So as you can see, there's a space there, so that doesn't work. So we click this here, go back, nice. All right, same thing down here, equal sign. I'm gonna do 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 8. Okay, we're doing there. All right, then we move along to the bottom. It says look above the cells to the menu option, choose view and all formulas. This is a little bit different because every once in a while Google updates. So we'll click up here on the view, show, formulas. Here it shows me all the formulas or the actual math behind the scenes. I click here to view, show, formulas, and now it's back to just the answers. Okay, so that is 4 steps right there. That is great. Thank you so much. The next video will have the last 3.